I'm out here in eastern Oregon by the Painted Hills. It's a nice view out there. I wanted to show off my Viking bags. Nice looking bags. I installed them all by myself with no help. If a knucklehead like me can install these things, you can too. Just want to show off how they look like on my bike. 2014 Yamaha Stryker. Has nice leather lining in the bag. They automatically lock when you close the lid down tight. Wish it was optional to lock it if you wanted to or not. Just lock it, push a button and it locks. But for the price, can't complain. But one thing, this bag here has a little side pocket for your paperwork right in here. It zips up and it's nice and secure. The contour and the lines look really nice on the bike. Matches quite well. Looks like it's an original look. An option Viking might think about, or maybe they already have and I just don't know about it, is a power port to plug in for your power accessories. For your phone or camera, batteries, whatever you need. But just wanted to show off what they look like on my bike. Yamaha Stryker. If you're thinking about getting a set of bags, these are really nice. I installed them myself with no help. It was a bit of a trick trying to line everything up here with this cargo rack. But I did it. No help. It was a hassle. I used a cardboard template to match the back of the bags here to line up where the bolt holes are. It helped. A little nervous about the first hole I had to drill. Wanted the bags to look symmetrical and not all cockeyed on the bike. But it looks good. Looks like it's original fit. They did a nice job with these bags. Oh, the first day I installed these bags, somebody pulled out in front of traffic. They were looking right when they were turning left in front of me and tagged me right here. Don't know if you can see that. Little scratch right here where his front bumper just kissed me. Good testimonial to the bags. Nice and strong, they stayed up. So I got my first scratches here and here from that stupid car that pulled out in front of me and hit me. But that's what they look like on a Yamaha Stryker. If you're thinking about it, and you have a Yamaha Stryker, need some saddlebags for your metric cruiser, I do recommend these bags. Nice fit. They match the lines of the bike really nice. Can't go wrong.